Have you ever felt like an animal was actually watching you? Not randomly, but intentionally. Because crows don't just look at humans. They study us. Right now, while people rush through streets, scroll on their phones, and ignore the world around them, crows are sitting silently on rooftops and power lines, observing everything. And scientists discovered something terrifying about them. They can remember human faces for years. Not only that, they can tell other crows about you too. Think about how insane that sounds. One crow decides you're dangerous, and suddenly an entire group reacts differently when you walk by. Researchers actually tested this. Scientists wore masks while trapping crows during experiments. Years later, those same masks still triggered aggressive reactions from nearby crows, even from younger birds that were never part of the original experiment. Which means somehow, the information spread. And honestly, that's where crows stop feeling like normal birds. Because the more scientists study them, the stranger they become. A group of crows is literally called a murder. And after hearing what these birds can do, that name suddenly feels very accurate. Crows are considered among the smartest animals on Earth. Not just birds, animals. Their intelligence is so advanced that some scientists compare their problem-solving skills to apes. They can solve puzzles, use tools, recognize patterns, plan ahead. One crow was once given a difficult puzzle involving multiple steps and hidden food rewards. Instead of panicking, the crow calmly analyzed the situation. First, it used one tool to reach another tool, then used that second tool to finally access the food. Step by step, like it actually understood the process. But here's the creepy part. Some human children performed worse on the same challenge. And it gets even stranger. Crows have been observed holding what looks exactly like funerals. When a crow dies, dozens of other crows may gather around the body in complete silence. No movement, no noise, just black birds staring down at death together. Scientists believe they may be studying danger or learning from the situation. But nobody fully understands what's happening during these gatherings. Now imagine walking through a forest and suddenly seeing hundreds of silent crows surrounding one dead bird. That image alone feels unnatural. But crows are also masters of communication. They don't just caw randomly. Different sounds can mean different things. Danger nearby, food discovered, human approaching, predator overhead. Some researchers believe crow communication is far more advanced than humans once thought. And yes, they can even mimic sounds. Certain crows have copied human speech, alarms, engines, and animal noises. Imagine hearing a strange